现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Welcome to another Hakka song on Icrt. Let's play something special this time. Give me a beat. This certainly isn't a traditional Hakka song because it's by Gina's Can called Tonight or Gimya, and they love to mix a little bit of Eastern and Western musical elements into their music, combining some R&B beats and a blues rhythm to give you a Hakka song that has never been heard before. Here is Gimya Tonight.吉娜收放自如的醇厚嗓音非常的特别，加上喜欢把 R&B 蓝调节奏加入音乐中，这就是吉娜罐子。用不同的方式让大家对客家歌曲有不一样的印象。这首歌曲叫做《金鸭今夜》。What a funky tune by Gina's Can. I love it. My name is Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.